Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PBS on Roku, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate PBS on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku and navigating to the home screen. From the home screen, scroll down to the streaming channels option and select it. In the streaming channels menu, go to the search channels option. Type in PBS using your remote. Once you see the PBS channel in the search results, select it. Choose the Add Channel option to install PBS on your Roku. After the channel is added, return to the home screen and find the PBS channel in your channel list. Launch the PBS channel by selecting it. Once the channel opens, you will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this activation code. On a separate device, like a computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to the PBS activation website. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the appropriate field on the website. Follow the prompts to sign in or create a PBS account if you don't have one. After successfully entering the code, a confirmation message will appear. Return to your Roku device after the confirmation. PBS should now be activated and ready for you to enjoy content. Feel free to explore various shows and documentaries offered in the PBS channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.